Yo, what's up? Good day guys. So this is the day 23 out of 365. So today's running plan ni Huawei, kasi nag-set tayo ng 1 month 5 kilometer training run. So para sa first day niya, easy run lang, pero more on walking to. Compose siya ng 4 sets. Our first set is 5 minutes walk. Tapos our second set and third set is set of 3 minutes na run from 134 to 154 heart rate. Then after noon, 1 minute na walk na 6 times natin gagawin. And lastly, for the last set ng 5 minutes walk. So parang talagang walking lang tong gagawin natin, pero easy run ang tawag sa kanya. Pero let's go, let's run. Be healthy, be wealthy, be active. Run for your life. Go! First kilometer, 9:04. Let's go. Let's finish this easy run. It's okay guys. 7 minutes and 27 seconds. Let's go. $3K guys, 7 minutes 37 seconds. Let's go. Easy run. We're on our last set, so 5 minutes na walk na lang to. Then after nun, done na tong run natin. Let's go. 4K guys, 9 minutes and 34 seconds. So guys, that's our day 23 out of 365. So this is an easy run. So this is a preparation para sa 1 month nating 5K para ma-beat yung PR natin. So yun lang. Don't forget the hashtag pa rin, run for your life. Be healthy, be wealthy, be active. Run and run lang hanggang mapagod. Let's go.